In this video, we'll do a joint circle follow-along routine for improved flexibility and freedom in your body. So starting with the neck, we'll do some circles very gently here and go easy as you go backwards. Okay, if it's too much, you can just go shoulder to shoulder. Next, we'll bring the hands to the shoulders and do some circles with the elbows. As you bring them up, you can do just a slight back bend. Hope this one feels really nice. Now bringing your hands out to the side, we begin to twist. You're looking across the shoulder as you do this, opening up the chest too, opening up the thoracic spine. I love doing this one every single day. Make sure you stay grounded through the legs and stay centered. Good. So now you'll go ahead and interlace the hands above the head and do some circles towards the sky, and then create circles with the hips as well, going in the opposite direction. And this can be as small or as big as you'd like. Now reaching up to the sky, we're going to do some side bending here, starting just slightly and then increasing as you feel comfortable. Exhaling to the side, inhaling as you reach up, and then exhaling to the side. Good. Now hands to the hips. We'll go ahead and do some circles here. You can go as low as you'd like. Find the groove that works for you. Good. Hands to the thighs. And on the knees, we'll do some circles here. I really like the feeling of this one. If you're having any knee issues, just go slow. So again, here, most important thing is to listen to your body. Now we'll press the ball of the foot into the floor and do some circles with the ankle. And this gives a little bit of tension. Go ahead and switch to the other side and make sure you do both directions here. Good. You can go through any of these over and over again. So now we're going to transition to some more active movement, back strokes. Again, make some big circles and get your whole body involved. Okay, so twist the body as you move your arm back. Good. Now, this exercise here, we're going to do some figure eights with the palms. The idea is to keep the palm up to the sky the entire time, rotating above the head, around as you open up, back and down, rotating the hands behind you, out, over, and across. Might take some time to get the hang of this. They call this the teacup exercise. Imagine you're holding teacups in your hands the entire time as you do the figure eights. Good. Okay, balancing on one leg here, we'll take the hip through a big range of motion here. So you're circling with the knee out to the side and then back around you. See if you can keep the whole body nice and straight, and the base leg is really grounding into the earth. Make sure you're getting both sides here. Again, grounding into the floor, base leg is straight, and do the circle only as big as is comfortable for you. Okay, there's no need to force anything. Making sure you test your end range of motion here, keeping strong through the trunk, and then we just shake it out. It feels so good to shake it out. I like to end every exercise with some shaking, grounding, take some deep breaths. Really good job. Thanks for following along. Please comment on how you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.